Hey everyone, this is Johnny over at Apple Chevrolet in Tinley Park, Illinois. Today I'm standing in front of my certified pre-owned vehicle pick of the week, the 2016 Buick Cascada. Now, Apple Chevy is offering over $600 in savings for all of its customers towards this front-wheel drive vehicle. It has never been reported in any accidents and only has 26,190 miles on it, which is actually 4,236 miles below market average. This two-door convertible comes with a 1.6-liter four-cylinder engine that comes custom with your upgraded 20-inch wheels. Now, when we take a look inside of this vehicle, we can see that it does come with our jet black leather seating that does have a cool design in it. When it does come to the front of the vehicle, we can see that we do have a heated steering wheel, heated seats on both sides, and a 7-inch touch display. It also does have our standard cruise control. This is Johnny over at Apple Chevrolet. Thanks for taking the time to watch my video. I hope you guys have a great day.